Associates of a drugs gang, being investigated over a fatal arson attack in County Offaly over the weekend, are also suspected of carrying out more than a dozen firebombings in recent years. 60-year-old Mary Holt and her 4-year-old grandnephew, Tadhg Farrell, died after their family home in Edenderry was firebombed on Saturday night in what Gardaí have described as a murderous attack. Tadhg's grandmother, Pauline Holt, was also seriously injured. Detectives are pursuing multiple lines of inquiry, including the possible involvement of a Midlands-based organised crime group linked to drugs, firearms and arson attacks. Investigators believe 2 men carried out the attack, throwing a petrol bomb through the front window of the house before fleeing the scene. Politicians have condemned the killings, describing the attack as savage, reckless and designed to kill. The home in Castleview Park remained sealed off on Monday, while Gardaí appeal for anyone with information to contact them.